Hey guys, Serge here, and in today's video I will show you completely phenomenal way to start working on your business, not anymore in your business, while actually scaling past multiple 5 figures monthly. So as you can see, it's a flywheel. It will repeat itself on an autopilot. Here we have 3 steps. So the first step is you have to focus on the acquisition, because acquisition is one of the crucial steps in actually getting people on board. Without it, you won't get anyone on board, you won't do anything, you won't make any money. So what are 3 main components of getting eyeballs on your offer and on your personal brand, or like whatever you're marketing? Use social media. So whether it is like YouTube, Instagram, organic, leverage short form content, post long form. It builds trust. It gives you the authority in your niche. And all you have to do is just have an idea that is associated with your niche, and you just have to record it. So your content has to either be valuable, it has to trigger emotions, or entertain. These are 3 major components of actually making viral videos for your offer and for yourself. But also you have to remember, you don't need many views to actually make mind-blowing amount of money, because it's more about who you are targeting and what are the type of people actually watching you, rather than the masses, because it's better to actually get 100 purely interested people watching your videos that are fully resonating with what you are saying and are ready to hop on a meeting with you and just work with you, than getting millions of views of just purely people from, for example, India. Of course, I'm not racist, just saying you need to target your perfect audience, people who can actually buy from you, who are like perfectly fit for you, and you don't want to target masses. Because remember that getting correct people on the board, so people who are actually committed, people who want to pay you in full, they're like just not paying in any installments, it's 50% of the success rate. When you're targeting correct people, correct audience, and you're getting best clients, because then there's biggest commitment possible, then fulfillment is also the most pleasurable and most effective, and the results you're having the best testimonials, so you can leverage it in the future. Then the second component is paid advertisement. So you need to have a great script, you have to map out it correctly, you have to strategize in a way that actually you will be converting the most amount of people, so you can also start running retargeting ads just to nurture your audience and get as many people in your niche reached as possible. Just have to focus on reaching as many eyeballs of actually your ideal clients. And the third component is actually getting outbound leads. It just you just have to manage setters, VAs, cold callers, whatever you're doing, SMMA, normal agency, coaching, consulting. Acquisition is actually the oxygen, because without people on board, you won't have money, you won't have cash flow, you won't have anything. That is why you need to make sure that you will master acquisition and you will get as many eyeballs, attention on you as possible of your ideal clients. The second step is how you have to convert all these people. So yes, you will get many eyeballs on you, but actually without having the skill of converting these people, you won't be able to make any money. So that's why there are like so many people who are having hundreds of thousands of viewers who are like not monetizing their audience in any way, not making any money. And those are also, they are like people who very niched. They're like, for example, mentorships for gym owners who are making over 5 million revenue in a year. It's like the niche of the niche of the niche. They're like, you just have to target your perfect clientele, and then you will be able to fully make ton of a bread. And that is why you also need some converting systems in place just to be able to actually close deals with your audience. So what you're doing, you need some social proof, whether they're like clients' results, whether you are showing how they get there, how many people you got on board, onboarding calls, happy clients. You need social proof. And also you have to remember that different type of testimonials have different impact. So for example, when you are just showing messages and text from your clients, yes, it's very good testimonial. But for example, when you are having a one-on-one conversation with your clients, it builds even bigger trust. When you have in-person conversations with your clients, so you're actually meeting your clients, you are speaking with them one-on-one, it's probably the highest leverage testimonial you can get. But like one-on-one on a Zoom, just not only showing the letters on the screen, but also looking at these people, listening to what they are saying about you. These are the testimonials you need and that you have to leverage. So that is why also, for example, on Instagram, on YouTube, you have to leverage your social proof. You have to show others that you've done it in the past. You are not only yapping, but you also helped others, you did it by yourself, and now you are just sharing your knowledge with others. So also that is why I scaled my agency past multiple 5 figures, and I am right now in the description, you can click, you will have completely free Google Doc with all the sources that will allow you to reach 30 grand a month. So feel free to save it and utilize this knowledge. And also what you have to do is you need some content assets. So like whether you are providing value on Instagram or like on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, long form, this video is one of the content assets. And if you are watching this right now, you are resonating with the things I am saying. You can see the mind-blowing value in this video, and probably you will watch a few other videos of mine just purely because you can see the value and you are enjoying what I am saying. So there's no any other way that you will, for example, buy from me in the future. If you're, let's just say you're right now stuck at 5K, you can see my video, not only this one, but also the next one, how I am able to solve all your problems. But then guess what? New problem will appear. So you will need to have another solution. So you will reach out to me, and that is why you'll probably work with me in the future. And I will be able to give you all the sources you need to actually scale past multiple 5 figures even faster. This Google Doc in the description is great enough to scale you also very fast, but like there's nothing better than one-on-one tailored, personalized information and advices from your mentor. So you just have to provide value to your niche, be specific. You don't want to target everyone. You just have to post niche associated content assets that will be able to build trust and credibility with your brand and with the things you are saying. And then the last step, third step, is actually fulfilling all the promises. So as I said, getting correct clientele on board is 50% of the success. So if you're actually targeting the correct people, you are reaching to the correct clientele, you are getting only people on board who are actually committed, who you can know you can help. So for example, when you have some student who has 3 hours a day, but he has money, you are not taking him on board because you know that he won't give you the results you want purely because of his. So even though you have the sauce, you will give him this sauce, he still won't be able to make money because he just don't want to. He preferred to be in a college. He doesn't have even enough time. He's not fully committed. And remember, there is your reputation on the line. So you will be easily able to get another client, but you won't be able to get your reputation back after once is actually very destroyed. So keep in mind that you need correct people on board. And how are you able to actually fulfill all your promises? You are giving them exact, personalized, tailored strategy. So exact blueprint, coaching, all the advices specially tailored to their situation. So that's why mentorship one-on-one has so much success rate, because on the course there's like this basic information to most of the population, but you have your individual problems that are probably different than the others. So you need tailored and personalized advices what you have to do in order to live your dream life. And you are only able to get these informations from the person that is actually caring about you and know your situation and know that he can help you. So that is why you are giving them exact map, what they have to do in what time to actually see the results. You are tracking all the data. So all the wins, all the losses, what are the roadblocks, everything your clients had, all the results. You need this information to actually optimize everything you are doing in the future. So even on the call, I am asking my clients right now, what was the thing that converted you in the first place? What video you watched in the first place to actually know me? What exact thing I said that you remember resonated with you and got in your mind? I am just doing so much research to do everything optimized for my clientele just to convert the most amount of people. And also you need to communicate with them. So it is not working like that. Yeah, hop on board, then you're sending them contract, you are getting their money, and then you are just hopping on one meeting every 2 weeks. No. You have to stay in touch with your clients on a WhatsApp. You are keeping them updated. You are keeping them alive. You are keeping them motivated. Tell them things, tell them everything, whether it is for your SMMA, coaching, consulting, mentorship, anything. You need to communicate to your clients. It's the only way to actually get the results. So more testimonials, and that's why it is flywheel, because actually when you are able to get client acquisition, if you are able to convert these clients using your social proof and content assets and the person you truly are. It has to be your authentic self, because people are buying from people. So if you are trying to be someone else, they won't buy from you. You have to be yourself. And then you just have to do service delivery. So you have to fulfill order promises. And that is why you're able to generate the results that you're in the future leveraging to get more eyeballs on you, on your offer, what you are doing. So that's why it is running on an autopilot. Then you're hiring setters, VAs, cold callers, and that is why you're working less hours a week, making more money, getting more clients, better fulfillment, better everything, more freedom. And it is completely mind-blowing how it works. You just have to master a few things in place to actually get this done and get everything running on autopilot. But after you actually build it, you are working on the business, not anymore in the business, and you are completely free. You are just fulfilling everything, and you just have to nurture everyone around you. So guys, I hope this video was helpful. If you want to work one-on-one with me, all the offers, acquisition, systems, infrastructure, conversion, everything I have, DM me on IG. I have limited spots, no BS. I'm just working with people who are actually committed. And if not, in the link in the description, you will have free 30K month assets that will give you the clear plan of what you have to do in order to make this money. So guys, thank you very much for today, and see you next time. Peace.